I just can't get over how beautiful this is. So this is what a lot of South Alabama, South Georgia, northern Florida, panhandle of Florida, things like that, which is where we are. We're in the panhandle of Florida right now. This is what a lot of the country looked like in this area back when the Native Americans were here. And the Native Americans would actually use burning and fire to clear out their settlements, to clear out areas where they would be if they were, a camp, a nomadic camp type deal. Gets rid of a lot of the... I left my truck going. Gets rid of a lot of the spiders, snakes, bugs, things like that might be crawling around. Hopefully this starts.